I'll guide you through how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone, and without risking the loss of your original high-resolution device copies. If you're looking to free up valuable Google Cloud storage because your account is full, or you want to ensure specific backed up photos stay only on your local device, if you need to master this precise 3-step method to delete photos from Google Photos while keeping them on your phone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. You may have noticed that trying to use the standard delete button when you want to remove a photo only from the cloud fails. The reason it fails is because it's designed for synchronization, meaning it deletes the photo everywhere, cloud and device. To perform a cloud-only delete while keeping a local copy on the device, the first, most critical step is to sever the sync link by turning off backup. This tricks the system into seeing your phone as a separate local storage device. On your Android or iOS phone, open the Google Photos app. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then go to Photo Settings or Google Photo Settings and select Backup. You must then immediately toggle the backup option off. This is your safety lock, preventing the app from deleting local files when we clean the cloud. The second step is the actual cloud cleanup using a web browser. This is where we perform the deletion outside of the sync-controlled app. Open a browser on your computer or phone, go to the Google Photos website at photos.google.com and log into your account. You can select photos individually or use the Shift+Click method on your computer to select huge batches quickly. Click the trash can icon and confirm to move the photos to the cloud trash. Crucially, because we disabled sync, these files are only removed from the cloud, and the local copy remains untouched. For an advanced safety check, especially if you have sensitive local files, you should clear the app's cache to force the app to forget its most recent sync data. When you delete a photo, it moves to the cloud trash for 60 days, and it still counts against your storage quota until you take this final action. Go back to the Google Photos website, navigate to the trash folder, and click Empty Trash or Permanently Delete. This action instantly frees up your Google storage. Remember, if you re-enable backup after this process, the local photos you just protected will be re-uploaded to the cloud. Now that you've learned how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Google Photos video tutorials. Thanks for watching.